Hi, in front of me is OPPO Find X2 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can change vibration settings on this OPPO. First of all, open settings. Now scroll down, choose sound and vibration, and over here you can click on the switcher next to Vibrate on Ring to enable or disable vibrations for incoming calls. You can also click on the switcher next to Vibrate on Silent to turn on or off vibrations while your device is muted. Then click on Vibration Intensity and adjust it by swiping left or right on the slider over here. Go back, scroll down, and click System Feedback. Now you can click on the switcher next to Vibrate on Touch to turn off or on touch vibrations. Go back, click on the switcher next to Reduce Notification Feedback on Full Screen to turn on or off this feature, and lastly go into Ringtone, choose Vibration over here and select Vibration Pattern for your incoming calls by tapping on the chosen one and going back, but you can also tap on No Vibration and disable them completely. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!